Hello friends, welcome back. Finally, the suspense thriller has come to an end. First they said it would be decided on Friday, then they said it would be on Saturday at 2 p.m. Again it was postponed from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. At around 4:30 p.m. yesterday, the court gave its verdict. SSC exams can be conducted in the state except GHMC and Rangareddy zones. In the wake of increasing number of COVID-19 cases, then the state government thought that conducting exams in two phases would be a difficult task for them. Those who are not writing the exams, they may feel tense and they may go into depression also. And for those who are writing the test, writing the exams, they will have two options. Again, supplementary will be there. And for those who are not writing the test, only one option. So legal issues may arise. Keeping in mind all these things, the state government postponed the exams. And as per the latest trends, it is believed that the government is inclining towards the cancellation of the exams and giving grades based on either their formative assessments, FAS or SA1, summative assessment 1. So it will be decided very soon, very soon. Guys, that is the latest status regarding SSC exams. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. We meet again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.